Okay, here we have a pair of Ferrari 330 toggle switches for the Ducellier. They are Ducellier. They also operate a Ducellier window motor. And I've just gone through the insides of these things and rebuilt them. They're very delicate inside. Both of the little contacts have to spring down with their little frog feet on their lily pads exactly right. To get them apart and back together, you have to put a pin in one side that's sharp, catch the spring, then push the whole thing across like that in order to get the spring in. A lot of tricky little things to them, but we've done a lot before. So right now we've got a 9 amp load, likely more than this will ever see. In the case of these two quartz halogen light bulbs here, you can see they go on when I short it out. And the switch's function is, of course, to give us continuity. So there's continuity, there's continuity. Now this is actually a polarity reversing switch. So we have one that's bridged, and then we have the other two that are either A or B. So yes, that direction, no, this direction. No, that direction, yes, this direction. So this switch is handling a good load. This particular one had broken out components on it. These, actually this valley here, the backing, this entire leg here, drilled with a 40,000ths of an inch drill, put in a little micro screw, self-tapping, and used that as a pin, kind of like we're doing root canal work here, to hold on the new methacrylate pieces. It doesn't look exactly the same, but pretty close. So just to test on the other switch that's already been assembled. Once again, this is for both directions. And then these are independent, one or the other. And yeah, carrying good load. Now, this is a really crazy and interesting thing. These clips are dual purpose. They are designed to both hook into with a little back barb here, into a alcove on the plastic of the switch when they're installed, as well as hold with another pin the unit in as it clips into this hole. In any case, so this is how it works. Now, my new plastic is a little bit tighter than the original. Oh, I heard it double click. And then this one here. And now the spring tabs hold it into the plinth, and the other tabs hold the switch into the housing. So everything's good. That's my story. I'm sticking to it.